welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to do some word problems from your textbook. Okay, so this is a word problem from your exercise 5A, question number 3. The question is, a square has 4 corners. How many corners do 7 squares have? So I'll show you what exactly a square, shape of square looks like. Okay, this is your square. So the question is saying square has 4 corners. Obviously, square has, this is the corners. Okay, this is the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners. So this is square. Alright? Square. So a square has 4 corners. How many corners do 7 squares have? So here let me make 7 more squares just like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you can see there are 7 squares. So let's count number of corners from each squares. These are squares corners. Okay. So I already counted this number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So if you count the number of corners of 7 squares, you will get how many? 28 corners. So let's not write these numbers. First count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 squares, isn't it? Then let's multiply with number of corners. So 4 corners in each square. 4 corners in each square. So if you multiply this, 7 into 4, you will get the product. That is 28. This is a required answer, 28 corners. Okay? So what we do first is just count the number of number of squares and multiply with number of corners on each square. Then you get the total number of corners in all squares. Alright. Now move on to second question. That is question number 3 only from exercise 5H. So here the question is asking, there are 7 days in a week. many days in 6 weeks? We all know there are 7 days in a week. All week means in 1 week. Okay? So the question out here is, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, and then how many days in 6 weeks? How many days in 6 weeks? So in a week means in 1 week you have 7 days, isn't it? In 1 week you have 7 days. So how many days in 6 weeks? The question is asking. Question mark. Alright? In 1 week, 7 days are there. So in 6 weeks, how many days it will be? Okay. So first, what we do is we just write number of days in a week. Solution. Number of days in a week. How many? 7. Alright. Let's write 7. Like this one. 7. Okay, so all week means in 1. Alright? Alright? Then, so they have asked you to find out the number of days in 6 weeks. We all know that number of days in a week is 7. So here, then next we have number of days in 6 weeks we need to find out. So we multiply number of days in a week, that is 7. Okay? And number of weeks, which is number of weeks? Okay, alright. Number of days multiply number of weeks. Alright, so in a sentence we write like this. Multiply number of days into number of weeks. So number of days 7 multiply number of weeks 6. So if you multiply 7 into 6, it will be 42. That is your days, total number of days. Alright? So here 7 number of days in a week, and this is your week. Alright? That's why I've written number of days multiply number of weeks, which is given in the question itself. Alright. Now the last exercise which we are going to discuss out here is exercise 5J. 5J, question number 3 only. So I hope you have understood this. What we have to find is total number of days in 6 weeks. So first, what we have done, number of days in a week, that is 7. So we multiply number of days into number of weeks. Number of days is 7, and number of weeks given there 6. So So if you multiply, you will get the total number of days in 6 weeks. Alright. Now, the next question. We have out here from exercise 5J. This is also question number 3. The question is asking, there are grapes in each bunch. Question is, there are grapes in, so there are, I think this is 9, okay. There are 9 grapes in each bunch. How many grapes are there in 6 bunches? Question: how many grapes are there in 6 bunches? Question. Here, as you read the question is saying there are 9 grapes in a bunch. Okay, so let me make one bunch of grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is called a bunch. Okay, bunch. So there are 9 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 grapes in a bunch. The question is asking how many grapes are there in 6 bunches. So let me make 5 more bunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to make 6 bunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grapes. So all together, how many bunches of grapes? 6 bunches, isn't it? Then, now what we do, so we need to find out number of grapes in 6 bunches. You can count also for us what we do here. Number of groups. Number of groups 6, isn't it? Number of groups, as we have done in the first lesson, first count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second, number of grapes. Number of grapes. Number of grapes. 9 in each bunch. Number of grapes, 9 in each bunch. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. So next, what we have to do out here, so here 6 groups of 9, isn't it? 6 groups of 9. 6 groups of 9. Or you can also write like 6 nines. 6 nines. 6 nines. So in the multiplication part, we write 6 into 9. How much it will be? 6 nines are 54. 54. This is your total number of grapes. Total number of grapes. So you write this one 125. 6 into 9. 6 number of groups and 9 number of grades in each bunch. So it will be a 54 grades in total. Alright? So, so whatever we have done out here, please go through it. Practice at home. If you find any problem, then please ask me. And we'll continue with some other word problem in the next class. So till then, stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you.